Hello everyone, my name is Paul Ang, and in this video I'm going to show you on how to set up VigorACS 2 in Google Cloud. To access Google Cloud, we simply use browser to search Google Cloud Console and use our email account to log into Google Cloud. To create a VM instance, we need to go to Compute Engine, VM Instances, select Create Instance, and enter the name as VigorACS 2. For the drop-down arrow under Region and Zone, we select Australia Southeast 1 and Australia Southeast 1-B. For the memory and virtual CPUs, we select two vCPUs with a 7.5 GB of memory and then click Change to select the different operating system. Lastly, select Allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic under Firewall and then click Create. In this setup, we use Linux Centos 7. To create a storage bucket, go to Storage, Browser, and select Create Bucket. Enter name as ACS_installer and select default storage class as Regional, Australia Southeast 1 for the location, and then click Create. To upload the ACS2 installer, click Upload folder, select VigorACS2_2.4.1 folder, and click Upload. To set the VM instance IP address to static, we will go to VPC External IP Address. By default, the IP address was set to ephemeral, so we will need to set it as static. And click Reserve. To manage the VM instance via SSH, go to Compute Engine, VM Instances, and then select SSH. We will need to wait for the SSH keys to transfer to the VM instance. To create a root password, enter the command sudo passwd and enter our preferred password. To copy the VigorACS2 installers from the bucket to the VM instance, First, create a directory by entering the command mkdir installers. Then enter the command to copy the files from the bucket going to the directory that we created. To install dependencies, database, and VigorACS2, we need to go to VigorACS2 underscore 2.4.1 directory and allow root to execute install.sh file. So enter the command chmod 755 install.sh. Enter the command /install.sh to run the VigorACS2 installer. Type Y to proceed with the installation. Press 1 and enter to install MySQL and MariaDB. Press 3 and enter to install InfluxDB. Press 4 and enter to install or upgrade Java. Press 5 and enter to install VigorACS. Type Y and press enter to continue creating ACS database. Type 1 and press enter to select local site database. Type 1 and press enter to use ACS for MySQL. Press enter to use blank password for MySQL and MariaDB. Type Y and press enter to test password for MySQL and MariaDB. Enter the command cd /usr/local/VigorACS/VigorACS/bin and then execute VigorACS.sh. To start the database in ACS2, press 1 and enter to start MySQL and MariaDB. Press 3 and enter to start InfluxDB, and press 5 and enter to start VigorACS2. Bind IP to 0.0.0.0, enter HTTP port 8844, this is optional. Enter HTTPS port 8443, also optional. Press enter to select the default ports 347 and 514 for stun and syslog. Press enter to accept default max memory and minimum memory. To allow HTTP port 8844 and HTTPS port 8443 in Google Cloud Firewall, we will go to VPC Network Firewall Rules. Select default allow HTTP and click edit. Enter the VigorACS2 HTTP port 8844 and click Save. Do the same for the HTTPS but enter port 8443. For the TR069 protocol, we will need to create a new firewall rule. Enter name as TR-069. Target tags is also TR-069. Source IP ranges is 0.0.0.0/0. Select TCP port and enter TR069 port 8069. And then click Create to save the firewall rule. To access the VigorACS2 web interface, enter the public IP address, port number, username as root, and password as admin123. After selecting Activate, the VigorACS2 will direct us to the My Vigor website to register our VigorACS2 and activate the 30 days trial license. Now log into My Vigor using your account. Enter nickname and click Add. Select OK and then Trial. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then finally, select Register. Select Login to ACS to direct us back to our ACS server. Select Change Password for security purposes. Enter new password and confirm new password. Go to About to verify the license information on VigorACS2. To change the time zone to AED, we will need to verify first the time zone by entering the command date, and then we will need to rename local time into localtime.bak. Local time is located in /etc directory. Now we will need to link the time zone AED, and it is located in /usr/share/zoteinfo/Australia and /NSW. We will use the command ln -s. Enter again the command date to verify the time zone. It should be set to AED. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, please visit our website www.draytek.com.au or you may email at sales@draytek.com.au.